Did you know you can actually make money online? If you're looking for ways to make money online, then you've come to the right place. All you need is a computer or phone with internet access. So in this video, I'm going to show you 7 websites where you can actually start making good money. And if you watch this video until the end, I will show you a bonus way so that you can maximize your result. Now let's get started. Number 1. Shutterstock. Shutterstock is a platform where you can buy or sell digital media, such as pictures, music, and video clips. If you might be particularly good at photography and taking amazing photos and videos, you can monetize your talent on Shutterstock. The way you make money with Shutterstock is every time someone purchases one of your pictures, you get paid a commission, usually a couple of cents to a few dollars. To make a lot of money with Shutterstock is to keep uploading high-quality images consistently. Number 2. TakeLessons.com. Everyone has a skill that they can teach, whether that might be teaching someone a language, how to cook, how to solve complex math equations, and so much more. Anything that you think someone else might not know, you can teach people on Take Lessons and start making money. Number 3. YouTube. You can make money with YouTube. If you are planning on starting a brand new channel from scratch, you first have to reach the YouTube minimum threshold to get monetized. You will need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in the last 12 months. Once you have reached that, you can get monetized. You can make as much as you want. The more views you get, the more money you can expect to make. You can earn anywhere from $1 to thousands, even hundreds of thousands of dollars. The longer the video, the more money you can expect to make, but it's only from ads revenue. You can also make money with YouTube through paid sponsorships, but with paid sponsorships, you will need a large audience. You can also make money through affiliate marketing. Number 4. Amazon. Nowadays, Amazon sells almost anything you can think of. You can make money with Amazon. The first way is the Amazon Associates program. This is a very popular and easy way of earning passive income. All you have to do is sign up for the Amazon Associates program, which is free. Then you can pick from thousands of stuff Amazon sells on their website and start promoting. Amazon will give you a special link, and every time someone buys through your link, Amazon will provide you with a commission anywhere from 5 to 10% of the sale. Amazon will pay you 60 days after purchase, and you can choose to be paid either through Amazon gift cards or wire transfer to a bank account. The second way is Amazon Mechanical Turk. This is kind of like a freelancing website. It's a place where businesses outsource work that is too difficult for a computer program to do, such as audio editing and transcribing, translating audio and video from different languages, testing web pages, writing reviews, and a whole lot of other services. You can make as much as $10, $20 an hour by working on a few different tasks. The third way is Amazon Kindle Publishing. Turn your ideas into an ebook and make money today. Every time you buy an ebook from Amazon, the publisher makes money, and you can too. The thing with Kindle Publishing is that you first need a book to sell. You can either write this book yourself or hire someone to write it for you. You don't have to be an established author or find a publishing company. You can do this from the comfort of your home and start earning some passive income. The best part is it's free. So sign up and start making some money. If you are interested in Kindle Publishing, you must do more research on this topic. You can find free videos and tutorials that will teach you the basics. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. If you want to make money as an affiliate marketer, you can go to ClickBank.com. ClickBank is a marketplace for product creators and affiliates to make money online by selling their courses or services. ClickBank only sells digital products, but the beauty about ClickBank is that the commission payout is much higher than that of Amazon. Some affiliates pay you as much as 75% for selling their services, while others pay as low as 5%. You can make perfect money on ClickBank, hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Head over to ClickBank, pick something to sell, and start making money. Number 6. Upworks.com. Upwork is a website for freelancers. With Upwork, you are making an active income. Businesses and individuals post services on Upwork that they would like to outsource, such as article writing, video editing, app development, and coding. There are tons of jobs and services being outsourced on Upwork. The beauty of all this is its low barrier of entry. You have to be good at something. If there is something that you are good at, maybe graphic design or coding or any skill, head over to Upwork and start making some money. Here's a tip if you are considering working on Upwork. You have to set up a profile that looks good. This will drastically increase your chance of ever receiving job offers from potential clients. Displaying your best work or highlighting specific experiences can help you stand out. Number 7. Flippa.com. This is the #1 marketplace for buying and selling online businesses. It attracts a huge audience and offers excellent tools to increase visibility. It's an auction site like eBay for those selling and buying digital assets, such as websites, apps, domains, and Amazon FBA accounts. If you are good at making apps or even websites, you can sell it online and make some money. You place a bid here, and if your bid is the highest, then you can buy the website, apps, or other accounts. Now I will show you a bonus way so that you can maximize your earning. Our bonus method is called blogging. The blog is considered an online journal, but technically it can also be considered an informational website. It's suitable for people who want to make money by sharing information and business owners who want to promote products or services online. The content of a blog typically includes texts, photos, videos, illustrations, and more. There are 2 main types of blogs. The first one is created by people who call themselves bloggers. The idea is usually to make money through advertising or selling affiliate products. They share information on their blog, people read their posts, and companies show their ads on their posts, getting paid for it. This model is great. Many big websites like BuzzFeed and TechCrunch make over $1 million a month with advertising and sponsored content. Glassdoor reports that the average blogger salary is over $32,800 per year, based on several anonymously submitted salaries. Many full-time bloggers can make over $200,000 per year, and they work about 10 to 30 hours per week. You can choose Google AdSense as your ad network. The second big type of blog is created by companies or people who have a business. They use the blog post to connect with their audience better. It serves as a platform to put all the information about their product. Blogging is the perfect platform if you want to build a strong community. And the good thing is you can start blogging from today without any cost. You can use Blogger.com to start your first blog. Blogger is an online content management system that enables multi-user blogs with time-stamped entries. It has been owned by Google since 2003, so that Blogger is hosted on Google's servers, so you don't have to worry about sorting out hosting. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button with the notification bell if you don't want to miss our upcoming videos.